Robot FX curates the best open-source MetaTrader code to inspire your trading automation. Real author, Meta quotes Chaikin's volatility indicator. Watch in-depth trading tutorials and eBay reviews on the Robot FX YouTube channel. Subscribe for free tips. Quote from Technical Analysis from Metatrader by S. Akles. There are two ways to interpret this measure of volatility. One method assumes that market tops are generally accompanied by increased volatility as investors get nervous and indecisive, and that the latter stages of the market bottom are generally accompanied by decreased volatility as investors get bored. Another method, Mr. Chaikin's, assumes that an increase in the volatility indicator over a relatively short time period indicates that a bottom is near, for example a panic sell-off, and that a decrease in volatility over a longer time period indicates an approaching top, for example a mature bull market. As with almost all experienced investors, Mr. Chaikin recommends that you do not rely on any one indicator. He suggests using a moving average penetration or trading band system to confirm this, or any indicator. The indicator uses smooth algorithms, but QH library classes must be copied to the terminal data folder in QL5 include. The use of the classes was thoroughly described in the article Averaging Price series for intermediate calculations without using additional buffers. This indicator was first implemented in MQL4 and published in code based on 08.02.2007. Fig.1. Chaikin Volatility Indicator. Build better strategies with Robot FX professional tools. Check them out. 2432.